welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new tech for today. So we've got a tech for today and we've got a new Bluetooth speaker, right? So as you can see in the thumbnail and also in the title below of that video, right? So here we go, guys. So we've got a new Bluetooth speaker and this is a to boom Torrent, right? So Bluetooth to boom is the brand. So it's a Torrent portable Bluetooth speaker, right? The speaker, right? And it's also we've got some right over here at the nice, and also got some new Bluetooth speaker, right? So we've got some specifications right over here. So we've got the built-in mic, we've got the deep bass, we've got the hands-free talk, okay, and we've got some rubber exterior on it. So we've got the specification, we've got the Bluetooth version of the 5.0. The distance of this one is 32.8 feet. We've got the frequency range of the 85 hertz to 20 kilohertz, right? And also we've got the power of 3 watts times 2, okay, and we've got the sensitivity of 400 MV. So, and also we've got the SNR of 80 decibels, right? And we've got the rechargeable battery. Also we've got the DC of 5 volts and 1200 milliamp hours. We've got the speaker size of 52 millimeter. We've got the playtime of the 4 hours under using of 50% volume, right? So if you are using the 100% volume, it's gonna be drain, okay. And it's also we've got the charging time of the 3 to 5 hours, okay. We've got the functions, we've got the FM, we've got the micro SD, we've got the USB, hands-free, and LED light, and we've got the accessories, which is a USB cable. So alright, so okay, so without further ado, let's gonna unbox it up and let's gonna have to check this new Bluetooth speaker that I have, okay. And it's also which I also bought into Menards, right? And they got also some stuff right there, so some gears and gadgets, electronics, which is only cost for this one is for only $10, right? $10 of dollars. So it is also a cheaper one. So for a limited time of for a limited time of day, right? So it's gonna be back into a normal price. So I don't know what is the normal price of this. Is because they are dropping down some. It's because they are dropping some, what is this called? They are dropping some electronics and gadgets, right? And it's also anything that if you want to go onto the Menards, enter the door, sliding door, and then right here at the left side. So let's gonna get over there, and then that's right over there, all of it. And they got some tons of electronics and gadgets and gears, and yeah, anything that you want to. So check it out, guys, check it out on Menards. Okay, so let's go gonna have to unbox this one. So okay, let's go gonna have to unbox this one. All right, here we go, guys. So we've got this one right over here. We hit to boom Torrent. Okay, so let's go gonna have to unbox this one. So let's go gonna have to check this speaker right over here. Yeah, this is a sealed one, right? See, this is a sealed. So I just open this up first, so to check if the item is good. So yeah, here it goes. We've got the speaker right over here, so nothing here. Okay, let's go gonna have to check this. Yeah. Oh, okay, feels kinda heavy though, right? Yeah, and we've got some rest over here. So what's in here is we've got the user manual, and we've got also the cable right over here. So we've got the micro USB cable, right? So we've got the micro USB cable, and we've got some 3.5 millimeter AUX cable, right? So we've got some 3.5 millimeter AUX cable. So you can use that one into if you have a MP3, right? So yes, I have an MP3, and let's go gonna have to also check that out, right? So we've got this right AUX cable and 3.5 AUX cable, when we got also the micro USB for the charger. Okay, so yeah, let's go gonna have to check it out. Okay, Alright, here we go. So this is this Bluetooth speaker from the Tuboom. Alright, Tuboom Torrent. Yeah, and we got some sticker right over here. So this is the rubber stand for the right. Oops, okay, this is the rubber stand, and yeah, here we go for this for the bass, right? And we've got some functions right over here. We've got a mode, call, phone call, minus and plus, which is also the volume, and the change of this one. We got the play button right over here, and we've got some also right here is for the USB-A. So if you want to put a flash drive on it, so if you want to play some songs from the flash drive, you can use this one. We've got the power supply, we've got the AUX, we've got the on and off, and also we've got the TF card right over there. So yeah, let's go and have to check it out. Okay, let's go and have to check out, what is the music for this one. All right, okay. So okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's go gonna have to connect it into my MP3 player right over here. So since I'm gonna have to check. So guys, I'm gonna pair new device. We've got that to boom right over here.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, so here it goes. So let's go gonna have to play some songs. Okay, let's go gonna have to go into my okay. If we want to the volume in here, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop it now. It's because of the copyright, right? So okay, so that is the sample of the music. So it is really nice. It is so loud, it is so perfect, and it's also, this is a really good Bluetooth speaker if you want to have it. So available at Menards for only $10, right? So this is a sponsored video for, this is not a sponsored video from Menards and also from the Tuboom, right? So I bought this for my own money, right? So alright, so yes, okay, and after it, so let's go gonna have to stop the Bluetooth. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this one right over here if it is gonna be working. Alright, so yeah, if it's gonna be working, so let's go gonna have to put this on. Okay, and then gonna have to put this one right.
Auxiliary input mode.
Okay.
There's no fall, and in the morning I'm alright alone.
Yes. Yes, perfect. So nice, and it's also a really good one for you to have it. So okay. Next is I'm gonna test my iPad Classic. Alright. So alright, so I'm gonna test my iPad Classic. Okay, so let's go gonna have to Oops, okay.
If I'm gonna fall in love, it's gotta be more than just enough. I gotta get that
Oh, there you go.
feeling. I gotta get that old high. No more carefree.
Nice. Alright, so
Now that she's back in the atmosphere with doubts of Jupiter in her head.
right, yes. This is a really good speaker. Alright. So alright, so nice one right over here. I've got a new speaker also right over here. So I already have a two bomb, and also this is the second one, and which I already like it, right? So yes, it is, yeah, it is a very good Bluetooth speaker if you want to have it, right? So yes, $10 in Menards, right? So if you want to grab it, grab yours now. This is a nice one for you to have it. So every week you can bring it anywhere. It says it is a portability, and we get also some nice, you can grab it just like that with your hand, right? And it's also a really good Bluetooth speaker if you want to have it, right? So perfect for everyday use, perfect for everyday carry, and perfect for everything that you are wanted to bring it anywhere, right? So either you're in a camping mode, you are in a backpacking, bike packing, right? So you can bring it anywhere, or you can bring it into your office, your work, yeah, listening to music while you are work, right? So it's just for motivation, right? So music for motivation. If you want to bring this one, you can bring it up. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so for the YouTube algorithm, and it's also, this is my YouTube for YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my channel so that it will make me more videos to come here in my channel. So if you like my channel, please support my channel. Okay, if you like my channel, please support. I'm a small-time YouTuber, and I'm a small-time YouTuber. So I've been doing vlogs since from the start, and it's also I have not been monetized yet. So if you are willing to help me out, so just if you are willing to help me out, to help me monetize my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and also click the notification bell. Okay, and also follow my Facebook page also, right? And thank you so much for watching, and also see you again on the next one.